Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again today, and I'm back with a portrait that I did in just using two colors. I'm using acrylic paints from Winsor&newton, and I'm using titanium white and ivory black, and then mixing them up to make different shades of grey. And I'm just going to show you the simple style I used. And I did a lot of blending, which helped. So this image I found on Pinterest, and I found it had so much character. I decided that I wanted to paint it and try and practice, because I do practice a lot, and I have been practicing a lot of portraits, and I wanted to develop my skills in portrait painting. And the only way you can do that is by practicing. So really what I did was I drew out the image, and you can see that the darker colors are going onto where the lines are. So where the lines are, that means that's where the shadows are, and in between is the lighter colors. So a mix of the white and the ivory black gives you a gray, and then you mix different shades of the gray to give different values to the features, so if that makes sense. But of course, I am a self-taught artist. I do these paintings as per I know or what I see, and really it's really what you see is what you paint. So this is what I saw, and this is how I tried to make it as best as the image that I used from Pinterest. So with acrylic paints, I find it's really easy to kind of blend if you're using just the right amount of water. Sometimes you can have a moment when the paint's a bit dry. Don't worry about that, just add some water and keep blending. And I find that they dry really darker to what they actually when you first put them on to the canvas or the paper. And that's the really good thing about acrylic paints, is that they're quite vibrant no matter what color you're using. So I do enjoy painting with acrylics, but my favorite medium is oil paints. With this image, it was really simple, because I was just using two paints, two colors and I just found it really relaxing to use these two colors, and it was really a learning experience for me too, because with just two colors you have to really get the or the multiple tones in here for the different creases and curves on the face, and the mouth and the hair on the face. This image has a very big beard and a very big turban on the head, so there was a lot of shades that I did mix, and eventually in the end I have used Prismacolor pencils to enhance the colors on the paper, just to give it a bit of a sharper and a cleaner edge to the whole painting, just to give it a nice, neat, clean finish, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna leave it here, and I'm gonna wait for your comments, and I hope that you enjoyed this little demo, and if you found any helpful tips on it, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and I shall be back with another video soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care for now. Bye.